In a sun-bathed savanna lived a timid little lion named Leo. One day, a small butterfly named Bella fluttered by. "Hello, little lion," Bella greeted. "You seem quite shy." Leo, blushing, whispered, "I am afraid, Bella. I wish I could be brave like my father." Bella, with a gentle smile, said, "Courage doesn't mean not feeling fear, Leo. It means facing it." The next day, a herd of wildebeests crossed the river. Leo, inspired by Bella's words, mustered his courage and followed. With each step, he felt his fear shrink, replaced by a newfound confidence. A storm brewed, making the river swell. Leo, unsure, hesitated. Bella fluttered nearby. "Remember, Leo, courage is not the absence of fear, but the decision to move forward despite it." Leo took a deep breath and plunged into the roaring river. As he swam, he realized that his father was there, encouraging him. "You are brave, my son." Leo reached the other side, exhausted but triumphant. He turned to Bella. "I am brave." Bella nodded. "And you are my dear friend." From that day forward, Leo was no longer just the timid little lion. He was the brave little lion, friend to all, and most importantly, he believed in himself. And every night, under the starlit sky, he and Bella shared stories of their adventures, their friendship growing stronger with each passing day. The end. Vocabulary words: timid, shrink, triumphant, starlit.